Hello everyone, good day. I hope everyone is doing well. I thought just share with you the quick text topic for today. The topic I've chosen is there are a couple of text myths out there which I'm going to bust today. So the very first one is a lot of people think, oh, rich don't pay tax, therefore we don't have to pay the tax. Well, that's wrong because you need to appreciate that first of all, there are many companies, rich private wealth clients who pay a lot of tax. But if they don't pay, generally they pay less tax is because they have implemented the tax effective strategies to structure their many companies into a trust structure, into the way they have expanded their companies, how they have used the different laws in the different jurisdiction of the companies in different countries and so forth. So don't think about that. So they do pay the tax. So I always encourage people to apply and implement the tax effective strategies for your company's trust structure in a way that minimize the tax, but within the regulations and do the right thing. Second, if you move to Dubai, you don't have to pay tax. Well, yes, only if you pass on the residency tax. So essentially, there is a residency test which you have to clear up. So what happened in that case is that you know there is a residency for individuals. So if you are Australian resident and if you have an Australian home here and you move to Dubai for a couple of years, even if you move there, you're living there, you rent a place there, you're earning income there, that doesn't mean that you don't have to pay the tax in Australia. So if you're Australian resident for taxation purposes, your worldwide income, you have to pay the tax. So think about the Australian tax residency rules, whether it applies to you or not. And there has been a recent case law which talks about that. Um, so I will not go into the case discussion because otherwise it gets too complicated and go over the time. The third one is that while if we move our businesses to the tax havens, such as Cayman Islands and so forth, you don't have to pay the tax. Again, if you move your business there, or if you move yourself as an individual, then again you have to look at the Australian taxation residency rules for the individuals, and also for the companies there is a separate residency test which includes incorporation test and also the control management test, which we say CMC. So